Hello, welcome to ideaelectro.com. In this video, we will show you how to install CapCut on your Android device in just a few simple steps. First, press in Play Store, press in search bar, then search CapCut app. Okay, once you find the CapCut app, press install. Once it's done, press open. Then just agree the terms and condition. If you like to follow this memo, you can. If you like to skip, just press skip. Then just press in edit button. Now you are already in CapCut project field. Thanks for watching ideaelectro.com. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment and subscribe our channel for more tech related information. See you in next video.